Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Bish Bash Bosh Book Club.
Oh, it's a good one today. We're going to run you through every single chapter in the book.
It's really simple. We kept it really light on purpose, so there's only 7 chapters.
The first of those 7 is quick.
Obviously, that's packed with quick recipes. Everything in here should be done in, 10, 15, 20 minutes. So this is what you want to cook when you're coming home on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday evening, and you're kind of in a hurry. There's this concept of MISI, which is mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive, which basically just means we want all the recipes should be as simple as possible to find. We didn't want you to be scrabbling around like, oh, is this in this chapter or in that chapter? We wanted the recipes to be spread out and intuitive to find.
And just because they're simple and just because they're quick, it doesn't mean they're not tasty. In fact, there's some of the tastiest dishes in the whole book in that chapter. The second chapter that we're going to talk about is big.
This big chapter, I mean, the clue is in the name. First of all, it's got that beautiful picture of Ian sucking on a big falafel wrap.
Looking lovingly at.
And then also, it's got bigger recipes. So this is things like our pulled jackfruit sandwich, which is incredible, or gorgeous curries. These are going to take a little bit longer to cook, maybe 30 to 40 minutes, and it's definitely going to feed a family. It's worth it. These big recipes are incredible.
Family food is really, really important. Like some of the best memories we ever have growing up is with food at the centre. So it's important to spend a little bit of time. Now, the third chapter in the book is feasts.
Feast your eyes on that. This is where we put all of our big showstopper type meals, the kind of things you would cook at a dinner party or a special occasion. So maybe it's like Christmas or a roast dinner, or maybe it's just a gorgeous curry spread. It's anything that is just more of a centerpiece and you're going to be proud of. They will take you a little bit longer to cook, but it'll be worth it.
Feasts, they're all about getting your people together, getting your families together, celebrating things like birthdays and weddings and christenings and Christmases. In fact, the Christmas section in Feast is really very cool.
It really is.
Now, next up, sides and sharers.
In sides and sharers, guess what we've got? Who would have thought? It's sides and it's sharers. You see how easy the book is to navigate? So that's things like chips. We've got loads of different kinds of mashed potato in there, like gorgeous sweet potato mash, beetroot mash, and a creamy mash. We've also got the incredible Wild West wings and popcorn, party popcorn. Party popcorn? Party poppers.
Party poppers.
It's basically vegan chicken.
It's picky bits for you and your mates, picky bits for the whole party.
Incredible recipes.
Oh yes. Now, on to the next one. Greens.
Greens it does exactly what it says on the tin. This is the healthy stuff. Obviously the book is green, the salads are green. This is when you're looking to get some healthy stuff into your life. We've also got a massive meze platter in there, which is all the tasty stuff you'd get at a Turkish restaurant if you were plant-based. And this was an exclusively plant-based restaurant.
Now, greens, it's not all about boring salads. It's big, hearty, healthy food that will keep you and your mates filled up till lunch, or actually till dinner, or it depends whenever you're eating them.
And it's high in protein.
Yes.
So there's loads of protein in there too.
Next up, desserts.
Yummo, there is incredible desserts in here. In fact, I think careful. I'm so proud of the desserts we put in there. We've got this Victoria sponge, that's incredible. Bakewell tart.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, so good.
Ice cream, vegan ice cream, the best you've ever had.
Make it at home without an ice cream maker. Banana bread donuts, oh, unbelievable.
And last but not least, the first meal of the day. Breakfasts.
Is it weird that we put breakfast at the back? Maybe.
Maybe a little.
We've got incredible breakfasts. Oh, the baby croissants are unbelievable.
There's some naughty breakfasts in there, but there's some really, really nice ones too. And also, lushy nut butters. I like the word lushy.
Oh, so good, lushy.
Lushy.
Love that word. So there you have it. It's a really simple book to navigate. That's how we wanted to make your life easier with Bish Bash Bosh. We also have some exciting stuff right at the front of the book, which we've not talked through yet, which is our, I guess you could call it the index.
Yeah, it's sort of like the index that usually sits at the back. Is photographic and sitting in the front. It is quite a revelation.
Look at that. So we have fantastic feasts and where to find them. That is a really easy way to find different cuisines, different meals, and to navigate this book. If you are putting on a spread, there's a few little menu suggestions. And then we have bonus recipes, also with images.
Now we've advertised the book to have over 140 recipes, and you know what? There's probably more like 180 with all the teeny tiny recipes that are found in there.
So in here we've got things like aioli, burger sauce, baba ganoush,
guacamole,
all individual mini recipes that you can find your way to if you're cooking at home.
So what we're basically saying here is this book is absolutely bursting with wonderful plant-based food, and you can pre-order it right now. The link is in the description below.
It's easy to navigate. It's kind of bite-sized, if you'll pardon the pun. So we'd love it if you get yours now and let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Bish,
Bash, Bosh!